been stacking apples, be lonely. Feed the fam, that's what.
Hold on, we don't know if it's a cop down there. You see the white?
Yeah, I see.
Coming this way?
Are we going fast?
Yeah, you don't smell the rubber? We try to see.
I see how that shit.
Yeah.
Oh, did it good?
Hold on, we gotta make sure it's not a cop first. Oh, he's turning.
Is that us? Is that his bike or this us? I got the 97.
Yeah.
I'm doing 100 run. You need to sit back and let me do what I do.
What you mean, shit? Flying.
Huh?
I was fucking flying.
I know you was. We got smoke, man. We got to do that again in the 396. We got smoke. We need to retry.
What's that car right there? Anyway? Fucking bike was going fast as fuck.
I don't want you doing that no more. You did enough.
She said she got scared. She don't want you doing that no more.
We got enough footage.
She said we got enough footage.
No, I'm finna go do my thing. I'm finna get to 100. Down here.
You gonna get to 100?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Watch. Just watch. He better not try to. Just stay your ass back there.
Motherfucker, this sport mode. Are you giving it to it?
Yes.
You might want to turn that traction control off now. Don't do
No, I'm not.
You gotta hold the traction button and turn it off.
What's that gonna do though?
All power.
For real?
If you have no traction.
No, bitch. What I need? Okay, I need traction, baby. I'm gonna try it one more time. Whoa!
Oh!
We did it.
100 even.
Yeah.
I was about to get to 100. I said, fuck that. I got to 93. I said, shit.
That shit too damn
Shit.
And I was like,
We can go home now.
Yeah.
We can go home, but we kill ourselves.
Yeah, we go home.
call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.